Hi, I'm Steve.
Hi, I'm Audrey. Hi, I'm Steven.
And today we're at Wellnesste Nature Sanctuary and Lodges.
Yay.
Wellnesste is a premier travel destination in upstate New York with incredible lodges, an incredible nature sanctuary with trails. It's right on the East Fish Creek. There is hiking here, kayaking here. There's wonderful flower gardens, lots of biodiversity. This is an incredible place to visit in any season. And today, we're gonna take a nice little overview of the grounds and see what kind of plants and animals we can find.
Wow, let's check that out.
I really like it here at Wellnesste, and in a minute we will go to the nature sanctuary part, check out some of the biodiversity down there. We're gonna check out the East Fish Creek for sure, the ferry trail, and a few other attractions. This is just such a comfortable and relaxing place to be.
Oh, look at all these pretty flowers. I wonder what they are up to. Look at these beautiful flowers.
I know, I like them too. There's so many flower gardens here. I love it. Love it, love it.
Love it. Hi, Steven. Look what I found.
What'd you guys find?
I found that, you found that. I found that.
Hold on, I'm coming.
You found that, I found that. No, I found that. You found that. Look at this beautiful piece of fungi.
Nice. I
Look,
like it.
there's red fungi.
I like it.
Okay, that one.
And look, right down there is Mirror Pond.
Oh, yeah.
I love Mirror Pond. It's a wonderful place to kayak. There's some orange jewel weeds, or also called touch-me-nots, right by the edge of Mirror Pond. I see a lot of frogs jumping right in. Right up ahead is the East Fish Creek. Of course, the kids found a few activities they like.
I love swinging.
I love this view. The view of the East Fish Creek is worth the trip in itself. Wow. And the newest cabin to date. Some of my past videos, you can actually see it getting built. One thing I do like looking at when I come here is all the fossilized rock by the creek. It's really a geologist's dream also, just to sit here and kind of comb through some of the rocks in the area. Christoph created something incredible here. And the only way to understand that is to come here for yourself, stand beside the East Fish Creek, and gaze upon it. And here we are on the ferry trail.
There's so many cool stuff. Wellnesste is a very magical place. There is a little cabin and other ferry houses. And there's a ferry. The trail is very beautiful. Oh, look at that.
A lot of the plants and animals that you see in this video today, I will upload to inaturalist.org. It's a wonderful site and app to track and research all types of forms of life.
Look at all these beautiful flowers. Hey guys, I just found purple fungi.
Wow, that's a great job. I love it.
Look, I found yellow fungus. Let's identify them. Look, there's a weird bug shell too.
Yeah.
guys out of the way. Oh my.
Yeah.
Look at all these caterpillar nests. They look so cool. Oh my god.
Very beautiful wildflowers. I see some nightshades as well. Nice. And look.
That's so beautiful.
I hope you enjoyed our video here at Wellnesste today. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to share, comment, donate, and look out on my channel where we will show you more all around New York State, the Adirondack Mountains, hiking, kayaking, waterfalls, and so much more.